Tip number one to make your rental feel like home is to bring in lots of cozy elements. I'm talking pillows, throw blankets, bedding, and rugs to really bring in some warmth and some comfort into the space. If it's your rental, you know when you first move in, everything just feels so bare and empty, and the perfect way to solve this is by bringing in lots of textures and lots of elements that will really warm up the space and really make it just feel comfortable and a place that you can actually relax in. Hi there, I'm Allie and welcome to my channel. I have been renting for 4 years now, and so I would like to consider myself a little bit of an expert in decorating and living in a rental and making it feel like your own. I do feel like I've picked up so many tips from my 3 apartments that I've lived in that I want to share with you 10 different ways that you can make your apartment feel more like home. Tip number 2 is to work with the built-in features in your apartment. I feel like it's easy to feel intimidated by the things that you can't change. For example, I'm not allowed to paint the walls here. My kitchen was very outdated when I moved in. So instead of working against that, my idea was to start working with that and using that to shape my decor decisions. So in my kitchen, I decided to bring in a little bit more of a vintage eclectic feel because I felt like that went with the darker wood tones, the dark counters, and just brought some warmth and personalization into the space and really made the room work. Now, tip number 3 actually is the most crucial tip, and that is to bring in meaningful art and wall decor. Now, of course, my channel, I'm a DIY channel, so I do lots of DIY art where I've done my own paintings, different textural art, and things like that, and that is a fantastic way to really liven up the space and make it your own. But I also believe that you shouldn't just DIY your art. Bring in some prints and things that are meaningful, and that brings me to Mapiful, who I'm collaborating with for today's video. Mapiful sent me this gorgeous star chart print and I am in love with it. And what Mapiful is a gorgeous print company where you can go in and make customized maps, star charts, and word art based around meaningful moments in your life. So for me, I decided to go with a star chart because, well, I have a bit of an obsession with stars and constellations, so this was the perfect print for me. And then you get to go in and you customize the location of the star chart and the date and time. And I decided to go with June 17th, 2017 because that was actually the date I posted my first video on this channel, and I just wanted to commemorate that and use it as a milestone to see how far I've come since then. That video is still on my channel. It was a Q&A and it was very, very cringy if you want to check it out. They also sent me this really lovely frame that fits the print, and I went with the darker wood tone because I just felt that matched in with all of the other decor throughout my apartment. If you want to learn a little bit more about Mapiful, I will link them down in the description box so you can go get your own custom print, and these also would make a fantastic gift. Tip number 4 is removable wallpaper and contact paper. This is the easiest way to upgrade your rental. In my kitchen, I used removable tile wallpaper to create that really nice subway tile look. I think it brought a little bit more lightness into the space and made it come together, but you could also use contact paper or removable wallpaper on your walls if you can't paint. You could use it on your countertops, you could use it on furniture that you want to upcycle because it was a hand-me-down, or whatever the case may be. It is the easiest way to add some temporary changes to your apartment that are completely renter-friendly. Tip 5, I could not do a video without this one, and that is to DIY your decor. I already talked about wall art, however, you can also DIY other pieces of your decor. For example, I have this guy next to me, which was a DIY on my channel. So there are so many other ways that you can DIY throughout your apartment to add in some meaningful things. Then if you have visitors or friends over, you can always say, I made that, and that just is such a fun accomplishment. The next easy way to add a little bit of a homey feel to your rental is by bringing in rugs. Now, my apartment is carpeted, but you can still lay rugs over your carpet. I did that in my dining room to kind of separate that room from the rest of the apartment. Also, they're a good hack to protect your carpet so that you don't get any spills or anything on it to avoid, not getting that deposit back. I also included a rug in my kitchen, which really tied everything in. I have a rug in my entryway as well as in my bedroom. It's just a nice way to add some coziness to your space, as well as add a little touch of yourself to make your rooms feel a little bit less than that just boring rental that you moved into. My next tip to make your apartment feel more like home is to bring in plants. And that could include faux plants. This is a faux fiddle leaf fig right here, but I also have a mix of faux and real plants throughout my space. And I think bringing in real and faux is the best way to go in an apartment. One, because oftentimes apartments have really bad lighting, so they might not be conducive to having real plants all throughout the entire space. I think the real ones are nice to bring in because it kind of gives you a sense of responsibility and also some joy as you see your plant babies growing. So bring in some real ones, bring in some fake ones for the low maintenance, and you will have a fun, colorful space. Plus, greenery is guaranteed to lift your mood. Tip number 8 is to try out a few renter hacks. I already mentioned a few with the contact paper removable wallpaper, but also think about changing out hardware, switching out light fixtures, painting the walls if you're allowed to. Doing some of the go-to easy renter hacks can definitely make your space feel more customized, that you're at the end of the day, when you come in, you're gonna feel like you're at home. My 9th tip is to pick furniture that you love, but don't be afraid to accept hand-me-downs and thrift. Renting, of course, is not forever. Oftentimes it is not long-term, so I find investing in those really, really expensive, beautiful furniture pieces is just not a good idea, because if you are moving, you might end up finding that that piece just doesn't fit into your new space, or if you're moving from a rental into your home, you might find, well, I want to actually have different pieces because now I own my home. So look for sales where you can get really inexpensive furniture. This TV stand I got for less than $100, specifically because it fit perfectly in this space, but it might not fit into my next apartment. We just don't know. Look for cheap furniture, accept secondhand wherever you can, and then thrift your furniture, and you could even do a couple DIYs to it to make it match your style. And finally, tip number 10 to make your rental feel like home is to understand that you probably won't be able to make your apartment or your rental feel like those pictures that you see on Instagram or those room makeovers that you see on YouTube. As you know, rent is expensive. Furniture is expensive. So work with what you have, work within your budget and what you can afford. And just doing little changes around your apartment, DIYing things, can really make a difference on how you feel when you're living in your space. You do not need to have a perfect Instagram-worthy apartment in order to have a place that you feel so excited to be in and relax in after a long day. And that completes all of my tips to make your apartment or your rental feel much more homier and a place that you love. Again, all the information about Mapiful is linked in the description box. Go check them out. I know that you will love their prints. They have so many amazing customizable prints to pick from. If you liked this video, I really want to hear some feedback. I don't often do sitting down kind of discussion videos like this, but I find that I have a lot of different renter tips that I might be able to share with you guys. So leave a comment if you would be interested in me creating this into a little bit of a renter tips series. But anyway, if you're new here and haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to check out my kitchen makeover, since I mentioned that several times throughout this video, that is linked here on the screen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!